fifth green and sixth tee at Glenelg was originally redeveloped as the first stage of the 1998 redevelopment of the course. Since that time, the proximity of the sixth tee to the fifth green has become more of an ongoing issue, and outdated irrigation system has been causing some considerable maintenance and presentation issues.
Members may not realise, but the actual catalyst for the redevelopment of the fifth hole and the sixth tee has actually been the need for us to replace the irrigation system in this section of the golf course. It's in excess of 40 years old in many parts and has become extremely unreliable, and the outdated technology and design has really compromised our ability to present the course in the manner we'd like.
From a practical perspective, the fifth irrigation has become a nightmare to manage. We spend in excess of 500 man-hours per year maintaining and repairing it. This is clearly unsustainable with all the other areas we need to consider when managing a course.
We sought to consider whether there was any alterations that could be made while the irrigation work was being undertaken and the fifth hole was effectively out of play. We worked through a number of options with Neil and Bob Toohey, and we think the final design and irrigation solution that we've come up with is not only going to address and improve the safety and importantly playability of the fifth hole, but also greatly enhance the presentation of this section of the golf course, making it much more consistent with the Bay experience and certainly allowing us to foster the contrasting colours and textures of vegetation that have become such a feature of the rest of the course.
With that in mind, the club has decided to take the opportunity to redevelop the fifth green and sixth tee area, and in doing so we're proposing to shorten the fifth hole by around 30 metres. This allows some room for the sixth tees to be moved to the west, giving an improved alignment up the sixth fairway. If members can cast their minds to the arrangement of the 12th green and 13th tees, that will give you a good idea of the proposed arrangement of the 5th green and the 6th tees. We're proposing separation mounds at the side of the new tees, and with this arrangement we believe that the safety issues will be addressed, and also the aesthetics of not seeing golfers teeing off next to the green that you're approaching will also make an improvement to the visual aspects of the hole. At the rear of the green, we're proposing to remove the tamarisk trees that are currently growing along the boundary, and we propose to construct new mounding that will properly screen the adjacent road from view while you're playing the hole. All in all, the changes proposed to the 5th green and 6th tee area will improve golfer safety, but also golfer interest as well.
The project is due to commence on the 14th of May, immediately after the Women's Interstate Series, with the 5th hole reopened for play by mid-October. While the 5th hole is out of play, golfers will have the opportunity to enjoy playing the new 19th hole. Then following the 4th hole, we'll walk to a new temporary tee on the 6th that will see them playing a short but challenging par 4 of approximately 280 metres.
Rest assured that the result will be well in keeping with the balance of the golf course, and with the irrigation changes, improved presentation all along the 5th hole.
We trust that you're as excited about this project as we are, because we firmly believe this is going to be a great enhancement for our golf course.